So, hi Kashif, congratulations on your placement. So, you have recently started your journey as a cloud support engineer at EY, right? So, how does it feel?
Yeah, it honestly feels incredible. And when I started this journey, getting an opportunity with a company like EY seemed like a distant dream. Today, being selected as a cloud support engineer feels like a huge milestone to me.
Okay. So, take us back to the beginning. Like, what made you decide to learn the cloud and DevOps?
Yeah, as you know, I was also always fascinated by cloud technologies, but I wasn't really sure how to turn that interest into a proper career. I had some theoretical knowledge of AWS and DevOps, but I wanted to go beyond just understanding concepts. I wanted to know how things actually work in a real IT environment, how applications are developed, how cloud infrastructure is managed, and how engineers troubleshoot real world problems. That's when I realized that I needed structural learning, hands on experience, and proper industry guidance.
Oh, that's really great. So, how was your experience with the Paperlive learning?
Yeah, for me, it was a hands on and practical approach to learning. We
Mhm.
weren't simply attending sessions and making notes, we were actually implementing what we learned through projects and practical assignments. I got exposure to areas like Linux, networking, AWS, cloud infrastructure, and DevOps. And more importantly, I learned how these technologies are applied in real world situations. That practical experience really helped me build confidence and understand the concepts much more deeply.
That's really great. And was there any particular part of the program that helped you to prepare to the industry?
Yeah, absolutely. Mentorship played a very important role in this journey. I worked on around 10 projects, and during each project, there were times when I got stuck or wasn't sure about the right approach. Having mentors available to guide me made a huge difference. The mentors didn't simply give us solutions, they helped us understand the problem, think it through it, and find the right solution ourselves. I would especially like to thank Vasil sir for his constant support and guidance. I generally feel that the mentorship sessions gave me an advantage, especially when I appeared for the technical rounds.
Okay, that's really great. So let's talk about the interview process. How does the mock interview process really help you?
Yeah, the mock interviews were definitely one of the most challenging, but also one of the most valuable parts of the program. From round one to round four, I was thoroughly challenged. The questions weren't limited to technical knowledge. I was also tested on communication, problem solving, practical scenarios, and how well I could explain my concepts. Initially, it was difficult, like it is for everyone else. But after every mock interview, I received detailed feedback, like how each round was going through. That feedback helped me identify my weaknesses, improve my answers, and become more confident with every round. By the time I appeared for the actual interview, I felt much more prepared and comfortable.
That's really good. And yeah, and then came the EY interview, right? And what was going through your mind?
Yeah, actually, it was really nervous for because it was a big opportunity for me. But at the same time, I had confidence in my preparations. The interview involved technical questions as well as practical scenario-based questions because I had already practiced explaining concepts and problem solving during the mock interviews. I was able to handle the questions much more confidently. And then came the moment I received the selection confirmation. That feeling was unforgettable. It was honestly one of the happiest and proudest moments of my journey.
That's nice. And what do you say to someone who wants to start a career in cloud or DevOps, but is
Yeah.
still confused about where to begin?
Mm. Uh, my the most important advice would be don't focus on completing a course or collecting certificates. focus on understanding three things: understanding, implementing, and building.
Mhm.
Work on real projects, get comfortable with troubleshooting, understand why things work instead of simply memorizing concepts. And one more important thing: learn how to communicate your knowledge. It's not enough to know something, you should also be able to confidently explain what you have built and how you solved a problem. And definitely prepare for interviews alongside your technical learning. If you are serious about building a career in cloud or DevOps, having the right mentorship, practical exposure, and consistent practice can make a huge impact.
That's good. So, yeah, so finally, one word to describe the journey with Paperlive Learning.
Yeah, the only one word I would say: transformative. I
Mhm.
started with an interest in cloud and a lot of uncertainty about how to turn that interest into a career. Today, I am working as a cloud support engineer at EY. This journey has taught me a lot, not just technically, but also about problem solving, communication, confidence, and continuous learning. I am genuinely grateful to all the mentors and everyone at Paper Live Learning who supported me throughout this journey.
That's good. So, congratulations once again, Kashif. So, we wish you all the very best for your journey at EY. Okay.
Thank you so much, and I'm really grateful for the opportunity and the support I received throughout this journey. And hopefully, this is just a beginning.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
Thank you.